This is going to be a video review of the duck packing tape, and this is standard grade. I do have the 4-pack, but they come in 8-pack. They come in a bunch of packs. I definitely recommend the more packs that you buy, the cheaper it is. And you guys know if you're going to do a lot of shipping, or you know you're going to do shipping in the future, just go ahead and buy the extra packs instead of buying the singles. If you buy the singles, you're going to go ahead and spend more money. So I definitely recommend getting the 4-pack or the 8-pack. Okay, so total, it's going to be 220 yards total in all 4 of them. I'm going to open them up. I'm going to show you guys what we got. I definitely recommend the Easy Start Duck refillable dispenser because you could actually use this to go ahead and package up your boxes. And I just love this feature right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, we got our standard tape here. And I just recommend the standard tape. If you do the heavy duty, I don't know, it's the heavy duty. I think heavy duty should be like if you have a real heavy duty package, you have glass in there or something like that, then you could use that. So you just undo the clip right here. You take this out. This is pretty much done. Okay, so now I have this. We're just gonna go ahead and place it in here like so. Okay, and over here, and then you have the clip inside. All you do is push it. And then we're gonna pull this tab, okay? And then we're gonna pull it through these 2 loops right here. That way you're not having to go looking for the tape and see where it's at every time, okay? And all I did is twist, and it does have this little jagged edge right here, and it cuts it every time. So now you could pull on it, you could put the tape on a box, you do this little twist method, and then it's ready to go, okay? So as you guys can see, it just keeps it right here ready to go for the next tape. Okay, I love this. I can't recommend this enough because I used to just go fishing. Every time I'd do it, I'd cut it, and then you'd have to go fishing for it. No, this is the way to go. So I definitely recommend the duck packing tape.